Hey, do you have an ebook that you just can't figure out how to format? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to format an ebook fast, free, and easy in today's video. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to make an ebook fast, free, and easy. All right, so this is going to be a very value-packed video. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate digital internet marketing, and how to get that laptop lifestyle so you can get the freedom in your life. All right. So if you do like this video, hit that like button. Give me a comment below and let me know if you subscribed. If you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about today's content, please post them below in the comments and I will reply. All right, guys. So again, this is about how to make an ebook fast, free, and easy. All right. So I know when I first got started, I was like, how can I make a ebook that is mine and I could write it? I wrote it all out in a Word document and the formatting just looked quirky, but I still made it and I gave it away and I've tailored it a couple different times and I finally figured out how to do it and make it look really nice. All right, so that's what I want to share with you guys today because I think this is something that with marketing, digital marketing, having that lead magnet is something that makes life a lot easier. All right, so today's tool, what we're going to be talking about is Canva. And I've talked about Canva before, and it is an amazing tool. It's what I use to make my uh, thumbnails for YouTube, and it is also what I'm using to make my ebook. So there's two iterations that I've done with my ebook, and I'll go through each one of those in this video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select a template. All right. So what I figured out is the best template for your ebook will be book magazine cover. All right. And the reason why, when we select magazine cover, all right, it is the size of a sheet of paper. And when we convert it to a PDF, it makes life a lot easier. All right. So when you come in here, you can pick whatever cover you want. All right. This is what I recommend that you do. Instead of using one of these ad hoc covers and creating your own, go over to Fiverr. That's Fiverr.com. Get somebody to make you an ebook cover for $5. You may end up spending 15 bucks. I got one created for $15. It's my ebook cover. It looks really nice and it's what I wanted. All right. I couldn't quite get it there myself. When I first started, I just kind of created my own, and these templates will help you create your own. So if you don't really have any money to spend right away, this tool's free. You can create your own. If you have a picture to throw in the background, some text to throw on it, that is what you want to do. All right. Now, this is going to give you your cover. Now, once you get your cover done, it's really easy to add new pages. All right. And what you do, so let's just say, for instance, we're going to use this cover right here. All right. We're going to use this cover. This is our cover. All right. We're going to make a new page and we're going to make it blank. All right. We're going to put a color in the background. Maybe we want to make it a gray color, kind of matches. And we're going to put, I'm just going to do this real quick just to give you an idea of how easy it is to make a template for your ebook. All right. So we open up Elements. This is just going to give you some ideas, guys. All right. And we select something like this. This is going to be the border. Let's go ahead and make it border. for our ebook. And you don't have to put a border. You can just use a straight nilly, and I'll show you how I did mine, and maybe that'll give you some ideas as well. You could put a border in here. You could change this color to some blue color, kind of matching what's up there, right? So now we have a border on our ebook, and then we just need to add some text. So we come over here, we could pick out some normal text, or we can just pick a text box and start typing. All right, test, test, test. And we could just format all this stuff in our, we can make a header, we can make some text underneath it, and you guys get the point. You could change the font, the coloring, the spacing. If you want to use bullets, all that stuff is up here, right? You can put a background in the image if you feel like it. You can add images to this as well. But once you get your format for your template, then all you do from there is you come up here, you click right here at page. You can move your pages up and down. You can add new pages, rename the pages, whatever you want to do, right? So you want to copy the page. So you want to copy this page down a few times so you have your template, right? So all you're doing is adding your text to your template. Now you may want to put a footer in here that carries over from uh, page to page that doesn't change. That's why you want to, your first page, you always want to make your template that's going to be all the stuff that you want. Maybe you want page number, right? 01, 02, 03, whatever you want, all right? So that's as easy as it gets to make your template, guys. And to top it off, when you get done writing your ebook, you come up here and you print, and you see, wait a minute, Zeb, it's a PNG, but just wait. You can do PDF print. So you don't want to do PDF standard. You want to do PDF print because it's high quality. You just select that and you hit pay, and you hit print. So right now it's wanting me to use a premium image, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to just do the free image, so it would be free. So that's as easy as it gets, guys. All right. So like I said, if you come in here and you take this image out, create your own image, all right, PDF print, download. It's going to download it to a PDF. When we open it, it's going to open up as a PDF, and we can scroll through it. So let me show you how I did mine. All right. So let's go back to home. And guys, this is very simple. The hard part is writing your ebook, but you can actually look through other people's ebooks and get ideas. All right. So let's just get rid of that because we don't care about that no more. So this is the ebook that I use. All right. And I'm going to show you how I formatted it and all that fun stuff. So this here is my ebook. All right. So this is my ebook cover. This is my ebook. Just goes down through. I got a format. You see I have my website at the bottom, and it just goes. All right. So that's my ebook, and guys, that's as simple as it gets. And to get this ebook, there's a link in the description. You can sign up, get the ebook, look it over, and get some ideas. All right. But you can get somebody on Fiverr to create something like this for you for really cheap. You could probably really create something like this on Canva in a matter of minutes, right? But I also have a 3D image that I can use on funnels and all that fun stuff. So, like I said, Canva is the place to be for your ebooks. So once you get your ebook, you launch it, you put it in Google Drive, right? And then you share it out in your funnel. And guys, this is my ebook, and you can see affiliate123go.com. That's my website. And guys, it's pretty cool, right? I built a simple, real easy ebook. You can download it at the link below. Get yourself a copy, look it over, and If you like what you see, then use it as an influence to help you create your own. All right. So I just wanted to share this tip with you guys. It's really simple. I don't want to waste any more time because, guys, it's all about putting this into action, right? It's about creating content and not consuming content. Until you make that switch where you stop consuming and you start creating, you won't start creating any passive income. Once you make that switch, you'll start making that passive income because you spend more time creating and less time consuming. I was stuck in the consuming part for years, right? I'd spend hours and hours and hours and hours trying to learn everything to be perfect. And I realized you can't be perfect. You just got to start, right? So it took me 4 or 5, actually, it took me about 10 iterations to get my ebook to where it's at today, right? So there's other ways to do your ebook. You can also do it in a presentation mode. So I'm gonna run you through this mode real quick. So this was presentation 16 by 9, or was it 16 by, yeah, 16 by 9. And it's basically the same ebook with just different format for a presentation. This is how I started. And then I did it all and I was like, wait a minute, why don't I do it in a book format? So instead of you learning from your own mistakes, learn from my mistake and actually do it this way. All right, because it looks a lot better. You can see here, this looks like a presentation where this looks like a book. All right. So guys, use canva.com. It's completely free. There is a paid version and that's all up to you. I used the free version and I just wanted to share with you how easy, how fast you could actually put together a template for your ebook. You just got to have some creativity and get out there and do it. All right, guys, again, as always, hit me a comment down below. Let me know you subscribed. Subscribe to the channel. I put out daily videos every day. If you're new to my channel, again, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, or like to see in the future down below in the comments. And if you have any questions about today's content, please post them below and I will reply. Now, if you have any interest in my ebook, there is a link in the description. You just find the link that is about the free affiliate marketing ebook, download it, and you can use that as inspiration to create your own ebook. All right, guys. Again, peace out. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow on the next video.